So this is part 2 of my journal swap with Anna, and I had got onto the 3rd signature. So I just showed in the last part of the last video, this was a gatefold card, and I just made it into a little open up journaling spot. I've got some music paper, paper bag, this lovely lady here, another one of these little flip outs with the booklets, again inspired by Clemmy the Scrappy Monster, and here is just a little pocket. Again, another pretty image here. Here we've just got a top corner, and it's quite a long corner tuck, and this envelope I got from Etsy, and I can't remember the name of the seller, but it's got like 2 journaling cards in there, and it's a really pretty envelope. And that just tucks in there. Centre of that signature. Another bottom pocket with this image here and an envelope. Here I've just made a double pocket, and we've got 2 tags which have butterflies on them. Oh, you can see that I am struggling here. A piece of ephemera in there, and just some crocheted trim on there. A paper bag, small music sheet and a doily. Here I've just made, it's a scrap piece, and I just made a pocket, put some of this trim on here. We've got this lady with a little girl, I thought was really sweet, and this was just from Artie Maze, I believe, and it's just stenciled on the back. Here we've got a bottom corner tuck, and again it's a long one, it's got this trim on here. Inside here we've just got some ephemera, you can journal on that. And this one here, these are from Tsunami Rose. Oops, I just wobbled the camera. Here we've got a pocket, another one of the napkin tags which have been stickled. And then we've got a doily, a little banner and some crocheted trim, and this piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. This one is the sewing themed one, and let's go inside this one. So here I've just used this on this folder, so you can journal inside there. There's an envelope here, so you can tuck things in the envelope. These pockets are from the sewing kit from Artie Maze, and some of this I just found on Pinterest, I think it was, or Google search, and can't remember where that come from. That might have been from the kit. Lined paper, stenciling. Love the paper, it's so pretty. Here we've just got a pocket and a piece of ephemera, and it's just got some trim stapled on there. In here we've just got, that was a spare piece, didn't know where to put it, so just popped it in there. And again, another tag with a bead dangle. Nice pretty papers. Inside this one we have another tag, it's got like a dress form there. Got some trim on here. Another pocket here, and I've used the backing paper from the kit on the backs of some of these, because it's like the sewn like pattern paper. Well, not the real stuff, but just a printable one. Just tied in the middle. Here we've just got another ephemera piece here. another ephemera piece in there with some trim stapled on. Another paper bag with what's stamped on that? Oh, these flowers. You can see I'm really struggling to hold this open, but if you know, if you wanted to, like I said, if you wanted to take some of the stuff out, you can do it, and it'll flatten a little bit. We've got a pocket here with another tag, an envelope here. I'm not going to take that off, but on the other side I've just tucked that in there. Two more journaling cards. This one's a button one. I was going to put buttons on that, but I just don't think this is going to close if I do it. And some more journaling cards, and this is from the kit, and it tucks in there. Whoops. There we go. And that flips out, and that is the back. So that is the journal, and I'm so pleased with it. It has turned out lovely, but it's just a little bit too big. Anna, I hope you like it. And like I said, if you need to take things out, that's absolutely fine to add your own things in there, but obviously, you know, I did want to fill it up for you. Oof, it's a right chunky monkey. So if you haven't seen the first part, I will link that below, and this will be going off in the mail real soon. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.